Positive strength is an essential foundation in building psychological strength and improving the quality of life. Positive thinking and optimism can be powerful tools in improving our psychology and enhancing our self-confidence. When we invest in developing this strength, we find ourselves able to deal effectively with challenges and difficulties and be more positive in thinking and behavior. In addition, positive strength positively affects our personal and professional relationships and contributes to promoting health and well-being. Therefore, we must work to strengthen this inner strength and use it as a tool to achieve success and happiness in our lives. Join us on this journey towards positivity and strength psychological, and let us share together inspiration and motivation to achieve our goals and achieve our maximum potential through positivity. We make our lives happier and more motivated. Let us continue to enhance our positive power and share it with the world. Thank you for your support and following, and do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button for more inspiring content. See you in the next videos.